have this done by graphing. Notice the two equations aren't in slope-intercept form, they're both in standard form. We have to get them in slope-intercept form in order to graph them. Starting with the first one, 16x minus 7y equals negative 56. I have to get the y by itself, so what I do is subtract 16x on both sides of the equal sign. So on the left side I'm left with negative 7y, and on the right side I have negative 16x minus 56. And then to get y by itself I have to do the inverse, so divide by negative 7 on both sides of the equal sign. So I have y equals negative 16 divided by negative 7. Two negatives when divided become positive, so it's 16 over 7 x, and then negative 56 divided by negative 7 is positive 8. I have to do the same thing with the second equation, so I have x minus 7y equals 49. I have to get y by itself. This time I'm subtracting just x on both sides, so I subtract x on the left and on the right. So on the left side I'm left with negative 7y, and then on the right side I have negative x plus 49. To get y by itself I have to divide both sides of the equal sign by negative 7. So the answer y equals negative 1 divided by negative 7 is positive 1/7. Bring down the x, and then positive 49 divided by negative 7 is negative 7. And of course, in order to graph the two equations, I have to figure out slope and y-intercept. The slope of the first equation is 16 over 7, and the y-intercept is 8. So I'm going to start there. I have to start at the y-intercept, which is 8 on the y-axis, and my slope is 16 over 7. Since I don't have much room at the top, instead of going up 16 to the right 7, I'm going to go down 16 to the left 7. And then we draw the line connecting the 2 points. Do the same thing with the second equation. The slope with for the second equation is 1/7, and the y-intercept is negative 7. So now I start my graph at negative 7, and then I go up 1 to the right 7. And then I can go down 1 to the left 7 as well to extend the graph. And then draw the graph, or draw the line. And we can see the intersection point there is at -7, -8, and that is the solution.